Hey everyone, welcome back to the Gargoyles Den. I'm Gargoyle, of course. Today we have another mail call, this one being from Santa Slowdog. Me and him did a buddy build together here for Christmas, and yesterday we released our build videos. Today we're going to release our unboxing videos. So let's go ahead and see what he made for us. Alright, he's in a card. Good tidings of comfort and joy. Oh, he sent some stickers. Hey, they're new one. Him and Grinchwitch just changed their channel logo and everything. I got the new one. I'll have to put that here on my workbench. There's no place like home for the holidays. Thank you for participating in this year's Christmas trade. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Same to you, Santa and Grinchwitch. I had fun doing it. Since it's actually the fourth time that we buddied up this last year. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's third or fourth. But yeah, he's been the main one that I've done buddy builds with. Oh, you said about. Oh, hello. Wasn't expecting to see that. Yeah. Transformer. I never got a hold of that one. Optimus Prime. Wow, thanks, Santa. What else we got in here? Oh, Tri-5 Terror. Gasser. That's sweet. I don't have too many gassers. I got a couple. Not many. Most ones I got are the Cruiser Bruisers. Station wagons. What else we got in here? Bully Goat. That kind of looks like a Camaro of some sort. I've seen this one before. It's kind of like a cross between a twin mill and something else. Can't remember what the name of the other one was, but yeah, it's kind of cool. Seen a cedar. Wow, I like the motor on that one. Double scoops. That's awesome. Baby Boomer. Ah, I see. It's a baby carriage. Yeah, I don't know if we'll keep it as a baby carriage. We'll use it for something, though. Definitely with that motor. Could kind of use the baby carriage for a miniature Santa Claus sleigh. And last but not least, well, holy cow. Jeez, Santa. Man, I know you're supposed to get stuff from Santa, but come on. That's ridiculous. Those old school. Hey, got me a van. He knows my love for vans. 1979 Dodge Ram. That's sweet. Very nice, very nice. Pop culture, old school. That'd definitely be going up on the wall with the Supermans. The 7-Eleven car. My area, I live in Phoenix. People were driving around for hours trying to find these and couldn't find them. I mean, they were going to 5, 10 different stores that we got around here, and nobody had them. One guy went into one and bought everything they had in that one, and then he went to scalping them. So yeah, a lot of people didn't even get them. But yeah, that's awesome. Me, I don't really go for the scalping part. You know, I'll check Walmart when I'm there and stuff, but I don't drive around to Target and all these other different places all the time looking for them. If I happen to be in that store, I'll stop and check. But otherwise, yeah, I'm not the person that's there at 8 o'clock in the morning when they open the door. No, that's not me. Ooh, Chevy Impala. What year is that? 59. 59. Laying low. Like I say, low and slow. If you know, you know. Micro icons. Haha, that's cool. Bikers. Kind of reminds me of the little homies. That's awesome. Bubba Ironhead, Pamini, and Arnie. Yeah, that's cool. Might have to make a little diagram or diorama or something with these magnetic feet on them. You have to tell me, oh, where do you get KB Toys? No, that can't be from KB. Must be old KB Toys. You have to tell me where you got these at, Santa. I like those. I got a whole bunch of those little homies that I did with the when we did the lowriders. Holy cow, Santa, jeez. Okay, let's... Here. Gotta make some room up here now. I wasn't planning on all this being here. I wasn't planning on all this, Santa. You didn't tell me about all this. Now I'm glad I did make all those that I made. I felt bad at first. I was like, oh, he's going to be surprised when he opens it up and finds 4 or 5 or 6 vehicles. Alright. Datsun Bluebird. Station wagon. He knows I like station wagons. They're the only car that was meant to be a grocery getter that you can turn around and still make cool. You know, 4 doors, not so much. Station wagons, yeah, they can still be cool. The Chevy Impala, 59. That'll go up with my lowriders. T3. I did one of these this last year. Let's see, is it sitting here somewhere? Where did I... Here it is. This is the custom I did of it when it first came out. As you can see, I chopped off the back end of it and put a wing on it. And then had the motor sticking out the top of the back. Like it was mounted behind the driver. But yeah, that was a fun one. I'll probably do something, not exactly the same, but something similar with this one. I'll customize it somehow. Because otherwise that back end just looks weird to me being wide open like that. We'll do something with it. And this one, he's seen me do one of these before. I actually took the car out of the back, the little pedal car, and I put a bicycle in instead. I did that for the Paint It Pink challenge. Up here. Let me grab that. This one. That was that car in the beginning. But yeah, we'll do something with that, of course, too. Love it, love it, love it. All right, Sam, let's see what you built, though. That's the big question here. What did he build? Wrap it carefully, so I don't want to break anything. Placard put with it, Santa Slowdog. Be setting that with it. Everybody will always know who it was that gave it to me. Ah, sweet. He's one of the old paddy wagons. Nice. What a hell of an idea there, Santa. See, this whole mashup thing was a good idea. They came out pretty damn good, if you ask me. Between yours and mine, yeah. I love them. That is awesome. I've done a few things with paddy wagons, but that wasn't one of them. I haven't used one of them for a motorcycle yet. Last one I did would have been for Oktoberfest. And I made it a keg car. Just pulled up and had a keg on it, and then I had another set of cars that had an actual still and stuff on it. That was because I broke the cover of it, the back cover, when I dropped it one time. I didn't know what else to do with it, and I wasn't going to pay $12 for a cover because it's not the exact same. So yeah, I made it into a keg car. Just made a keg for it. Yeah, this is awesome. I think I'm going to start putting motorcycles back up. I used to have them on display. I had a bunch of them. I used some of them on my Christmas build the other day. But yeah, I still got probably, I don't know, 15, 20 that I haven't displayed anywhere just because I've been running out of room for stuff. But yeah, that's awesome, Santa. Thank you very much. And thanks for all the cars. I wasn't expecting all that at all. You know, that's... God, you sent me a lot. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10. Oh, more than that. A lot. We'll just say a lot. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, that's an unlucky number. I'm going to have something happen now. Thank God I won Mike Gespo's soap car contest the other day with lucky number 7. So hopefully that'll offset any bad luck. That'll be what my next video coming up is. I'm going to work on that, see if we can get that restored or customized, one of the two. See how that comes out. Anyway, I hope you guys liked everything. I know I did. And like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff we always say. And until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now.